Scan for Sovi and straight A's only. Let's go!
Radiation can freeze the cell cycle, and this question is asking which table result proves it fastest. So let's log in the evidence quick. Treated cells cannot progress through the cycle, so the best support must show a stage they never reach, not just a comparison that sounds interesting. Table 1 points to the experimental group because that is where radiation was applied. If those cells cannot enter G2 after 24 hours, progression clearly got blocked. That makes option A the strongest support because 0 treated cells reaching G2 directly shows radiation stopped normal movement through the cell cycle. Well done, option A. Scan now. Trap, rushing into random comparisons. Rule, trust the given claim and check which result directly proves progression stopped.